Hello everyone, welcome to Science and Tech series with Dr. Ved Rana. Hope you are doing well and your preparation is going on right track in these turbulent times. So topic for today's discussion is once again from defense section. We will be decoding Operation, as you could see on screen, Samudra Setu II, because this time once again Indian Navy has swung into the action as nation requires logistics supply, and just like in Samudra Setu I, where Indian Navy did a fabulous job to bring the Indians who were struck in different countries back to their home. In similar way, in Samudra Setu II, the current requirement which is plaguing our country is the liquid medical oxygen. So already people are gasping for oxygen and we need to import them. The good thing is that a lot of countries are with India in this hour of need, and they are ready to just give liquid medical oxygen to India. We just need to transport it to the logistic end. So make sure in this theme you just go through what exactly is the objective of Samudra Setu, because there could be a question in state services or some other exams where they might ask you what Samudra Setu project is about, because we have seen different type of Setus in news, right from the Ram Setu to the Maitri Setu initiative which we had covered in our current affair lectures. Today the focus is on Samudra Setu. So, as we know that the liquid medical oxygen is something which needs to be transported by means of, you could say, cryogenic tankers, because this is a pale, you could say, blue liquid which needs to be stored in cryogenic tankers, and this is where we need to modify and use our Indian naval fleet warships. So, in the first phase itself, we have specific ships like our INS Talwar, which has swung into the action, and it's bringing 40 million tons of liquid medical oxygen from Manama. Manama, we know, is in Bahrain to the Mumbai. And also India's biggest indigenous warship, which is INS Kolkata. It will be going to, you could say, Doha in Qatar, as well as making a stopover at Kuwait and bringing back LMO at oxygen. And INS Airawet is going to explore the Southeast Asia, where Singapore has promised the supply, so it will be bringing LMO from Singapore. INS Jal Sheva will be bringing from the Thailand. And apart from that, in the second round, we already have deployed some or other warships for national duties, in which prominent are INS Kochi, and you could say there is INS Trikand. So these are some of the major ships. More ships will follow, and they will be relieved from their warship duties and devoted to meet this health emergency. So in Samudra Setu I, you have to understand that the first wave of the COVID pandemic was in Ukraine, and a lot of Indians were struck in the Gulf countries. So that's where the Samudra Setu I came in handy. And it was supplemented by Operation Rahat, where you could say sometime back, in which we had brought Indians from Yemen country. That's a separate mission. So make sure you are able to distinguish Operation Rahat from Operation Samudra Setu I and Operation Samudra Setu II. And this Samudra Setu II effort will complement the, you could say, Oxygen Express mission. Oxygen Express mission is similar mission which is being run by Indian Railways. Currently, railway coaches are being used to provide liquid medical oxygen to different parts of the country, because currently the second wave of pandemic is quite destructive one. We have already achieved the green milestone of over 4 lakh cases, and the wave is yet to reach its peak. So next 10 days are going to be crucial, and we have so many headlines where hospitals are reeling under short supply of oxygen, and oxygen concentrators and LMO, which are called oxygen tanks, are the only saviors. So let's hope that all authorities are working round the clock to meet this health emergency, and this Operation Samudra Setu is going to be a life-saving mission once again for India. So let's wish all the volunteers and all the teams which are involved in this mission best of luck. Chandigarh Civil Service team will also like to wish all the best to all frontline COVID warriors who are risking their lives in this hour of need and helping their best to tide over the situation. So this is what we have in this short update on Samudra Setu project. Make sure you just have an overlook over your Indian naval ships history, which we have covered in our class lectures, right from the warships, the aircraft carriers. There is no harm because some of the warships are in news projects as well. And from general science point of view, make sure you also just go through the properties of liquid medical oxygen, that what is the color, what are the uses, because this LMO is currently being deployed for medical purposes, but it has a lot of significance for industries as well. It is used as a powerful oxidizer, as we had covered in our space lectures as well. We have seen in PSLV and GSLV, especially the cryogenic stage, the liquid oxygen is used as an oxidizer, which is quite critical because liquid hydrogen is fuel in that, and it provides the oxidizing for the burnout of the fuel. It is a strong oxidant and it helps in burning of fuel. So that's another chemistry dimension of the liquid. It is a paramagnetic in nature, cryogenic properties, all these basic properties have to be revised as well. So you can even practice a question which I have uploaded in our Telegram channel on Chandigarh Civil Services on the basic nature of oxygen. Because this time you need to be aware of not just the specifics but the positive missions which are helping to tide over the situation, and there can be a specific question on difference between oxygen concentrators and LMOs as well, which we covered recently in our class lectures as well. So I hope you get a fair idea about today's topic, what it was. If you have any specific query, you can ask them in comment section. We will try to help you out. Have a nice day. Keep studying hard and make each day count till you reach your goal. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.